Even outside. Alright, so today I'm gonna show another way of doing sandpaper work, like making a sandpaper where you can do nice sandpaper and you can reuse this tool. We're gonna make a tool which is like, I'm using this nail. This nail is 2 millimeters and your normal regular bit is 2.2 millimeter, but it's gonna work. If you can find 2.2 millimeter gauge nail, it will work a little better, but it doesn't matter. The handpiece is gonna hold it. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and start making one. So as you guys know, we have a sheet of paper, sandpapers, thicker gauge. So I'm gonna be making this tool. This is how it's gonna go. Basically, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the head of the nail first thing. Okay, done. So next thing I want to see where I want this to, how far I want it to go. I'll get a marker and kind of like that much is pretty good if I can cut this like that. So I want to make sure that this is not sharp. I want to just grind the corner like that so it's not sharp and it doesn't hurt. And so next thing what I want to do is I have a line there and I have about that distance over there. So I want to start cutting with my saw blade. And if you're a jeweler, you do have a saw blade and you can get a nail like this and you can actually make this easy. Let me find a plier where I can hold this. I think this should work. So I'm gonna try to put a notch right there like that. So I want to hold my hand steady and just sew it through and follow the line, the marker. I want to make sure that I'm cutting it from the half, right in the middle. So let's do some cleaning right there. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to use a little bit thicker gauge sandpaper, which is I want to mark it like the distance and I can go just a little bit over, like that much, and then just kind of like, I want to see where the width is, and I want to get something sharp where I use this to do my cleaning, and I want to just kind of like mark it like that, and like that, fly it off. Alright, so I want to make sure the cut that I put is right there, and it's going to, I want to insert it into that cut that I made, like that, and here we go. Right, this is now a tool where I can use to do nice sandpaper inside the band. Like that, and even outside, like that. So every time when you use this, sometimes the end, it gets really tearing apart. All you want to do is just kind of like cut a little piece like that off, and it's still fresh sandpaper, and then just reuse it again like that. So here we go. Yeah, so now you have a sandpaper where you could use this to do a really good job, and you can make a few of this and kind of like put different gauge sandpaper, like really fine sandpaper like this. You can do really smooth, nice, beautiful finish, and your polishing would be much less effortless, and you can do a really good job with it. So yeah, and let me know what you think about this, and also leave comments down below, please, and let me find out what you guys wanted to see more. I can make you guys really different, show you different techniques, different videos, and yeah, thank you for watching.